Hey guys, it's Kamika, and today we are going to be, I'm going to show you some of my stuff and everything. I just now unlocked Lucy because I had enough money. I haven't unlocked really nobody, I just unlocked it. Jake, well, you already know, who's gonna get him. I unlocked it. Tricky, whatever her name is. I really want to get her. I can't wait, but I can't wait till she come off, $2.99 because when she like do like Subway Surfers money, I'm gonna get her. She looks so cool. Yep, they got some new ones on here. I can't really wait for her. I like her the best. She looks real cool. I like her hair too. I'm gonna get that outfit. Whoa, you don't have to. I like this one. Her shoe chains and everything. So let me go to boards. I only unlocked it really one board. Hold on. Do I have enough money to buy anything? Do I have enough money to buy anything? Let's see. Alright, awards. Really nothing. Okay. So, let me just go. Let's get started. Move. Go. Hop. And then we can go over. I really do this at the end because at the end it gets, look, I mystery box. Because at the end it gets really fast, and yeah. And then I'm trying to unlock Frizzy. She seems real cool. I like her hair. It kind of reminds of me because my hair is like real frizzy sometimes when I first like comb it out and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get these again. I got double now. I got a board now too. Okay, I'm so mad right now because I can't get 3. There you go. Sorry, we watching Garfield right now. Subscribe, add a like if you did. Comment down below what else videos and hit that bell. You'll get notified by everything I do and when I do it. I went on live. I don't know when, on what page. I got a new page now. It's KELZ. As a zebra. Let me save one. As a zebra. And then you put a space there, and then you put C. I'm gonna spell it again for you. K as a kangaroo. E as a egg. L as a leopard. Z as a zebra. And space C as a cat. So when you get 2 times, that means you get when you get 1 coin, they'll add 2 to it. You feel me? I'm gonna show you my stuff. Okay, I need 46 more to a lock crash. I'm gonna double up. Well, never mind. Guess you didn't press it right. Okay, guys. I just wanted to tell you about like.